Hello guys, this is Monjima and wow, you guys seriously made it to the 5th video of my Python basic series. So before getting started, let me remind you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon first because I promise you will be getting a bunch of important technical videos available in this channel soon. So stick to me, stick to this channel, keep loving me to get your technical learning in a better shape. So I remember in the last video I talked about some basic operations of string argument of Python. But in this video I am gonna cover some other features of string plus a little discussion over some commonly used Python keywords. So let's look at these views in more detail. So last day we came to learn about slicing, concatenate, replication operations of string. Now it's time to know a little about escape characters. We already know that string is one sensitive argument to let any other special characters in it other than words. It is not that simple to put any other characters like single quote or backslash just as it is. And that is where escape characters come into play. These escape characters help us put those restricted characters in single string argument. And there are various escape characters we use like backslash n, backslash t, backslash r and so on. The next page will give you a chart on this. Hope you pause this video and note this down. So now we will see its practical examples. We just came across some examples of escape characters. I hope you now understand what escape character is and how does it work, right? So now it's time to know about some Python functions that also can be operated on strings like replace, upper, find, etc. So replace function helps us to change any name or any word to another. Here basically one word gets replaced by another one. Then comes upper function and it helps us to convert every lowercase characters of string to uppercase characters. And I will show you example on this later. So then comes find function and you are already getting the idea by its name, right? Yes, it helps us find the index point for a letter or any word of the string. So now let's go to see them practically. So, we have just acquired some knowledge about functions of string. But in the beginning, I told that I will be also providing some knowledge about some Python keywords. So, here it goes. If you want, you can also pause this video and take a note of these keywords. Here you can find all the keywords names and their functions in this table. But if you guys want to see how they practically work, then stay with me till the next video cause examples will be available there. So, this is it for today. If you found this video helpful of any kind to you, subscribe this channel for more, hit like button, leave your genuine comments and share this video to help people learn. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.